Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Singapore school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.ais.com.sg. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of Australian International School Singapore. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option work for us. So if you click this link work for us, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Australia International School Singapore. So job vacancies for teaching and other position for 2022. Teaching and academic position. Applications are encouraged to read the job description for the role prior to applying and submit a cover letter, curriculum vitae and duly completed copy of the school job application form to the Human Resource Department via the designated email address in the advertisement below. Kindly ensure that the position title is clearly specified in the application form. So what they are saying here, you have to send your cover letter, CV and school job application form to the particular email address. So kindly ensure that the position title clearly specified in the application. When you are send the email, you can check whether the job of the application, which job are you going to apply. So you can mention in your email ID. So what are the leadership position for 2022? Assistant Head of Secondary School Operation and Logistic, Assistant Head of Secondary School Teaching and Learning. These two vacancies for leadership position 2022. So Assistant Head and Teaching and Learning Operation and Logistic, you have to prepare 5-minute video outlining their vision for the role and how that align with the school mission, values and vision. So candidate can also talk about the strength and their educational background and philosophy. So please send in your application to application_sec@ais.com.sg. So if you are interested, assistant at secondary school operation and logistic teaching and learning, you can prepare 5 minutes video and you can send your job application the given email ID. So academic position for 2022. To apply for any academic portion, so this was secondary school job vacancies, assistant head of sports, music, Chinese, English, humanities, learning enrichment, Chinese and mathematics, science, food technology, secondary year 6 teacher, school counselor or teacher, technology teacher, EAL teacher, French, business studies and economics, Indonesian mother tongue, Vietnamese mother. So these are the secondary school vacancies for 2022. And elementary school vacancy, elementary classroom teacher, elementary learning and enrichment teacher, associate. These are the elementary school vacancies. So other portion also they are given here. Early years classroom teacher, elementary classroom and secondary class teacher. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can submit your job application form and CV to the application underscore support@ais.com.sg. So otherwise if you are interested teacher assistant role, that means elementary EL teacher assistant, infant care assistant full time, early year teacher assistant full time and elementary teacher full time. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested, you can send the same thing, curriculum vitae and application form to the given mail ID. So every email ID is different. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, experience, etc. Once you have checked all your skills and if you are satisfied with the skills, you can apply as per the instruction for particular given mail ID. So here relief pool. So relief teachers also they are recruiting the candidate. Infant care assistant relief, teacher assistant and teachers. Operation portion. What are the operation portion? So application are encouraged to read the job description for the role prior to applying and submit a CV and duly completed the copy of school application form, Human Resource Department. Kindly ensure that the position title clearly specified in the application form. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So these are the operation portion, business development, application specialist, infrastructure specialist, help desk specialist, facilities executive, admission manager, purchasing manager, associate engineer, boarding guardian, temporary HR administrator, assistant communication manager, executive secondary support center of innovation, leadership and learning. So these are the operation position. Casual role, casual swim instructor. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. So job application form given here, AIS job application form, one of PDF available. If you click this link PDF, you can get job application form. This job application form 4 page only. This application should take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete. The first one is position applied for, the personal details, education, employment, teachers experience, references, salary and allowances, declaration. There are 8 sections in this application form. You will require to send CV, job application form, CV maximum of 2 page. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. So job description available, secondary position vacancies also, teaching and academic position. For example, if you are interested for secondary English teacher, you can click this link. You can get job description for secondary English teacher. Full-time teaching job. What are the responsibilities? Co-curricular activities, administration. What are the position requirement? So make sure before applying, please check your position requirement for a particular subject. IGC experience preferred but not essential. Experience in international school environment would be a distinct advantage. Excellent communication skill, multitasking and time management, ability to work as a part of team, and an interest in participating in the wider school community. So these are the position requirement for English teacher. Qualification and skills, minimum 4-year recognized teaching qualification including bachelor degree and postgraduate teaching diploma or university qualification or bachelor of education. If you have degree and B.Ed, that is qualification. Minimum 3-year full-time teaching experience in a recognized educational institutional ideal. However, graduate may be considered. So working condition, official working hours 8 AM to 4 PM or as required. Occasional weekend or evening work including department meeting or professional development. So what are the terms of employment? They are mentioned here. Appointment is subject to an enhanced disclosure and bearing survey DPA check for regulated activity or equivalent background check for all other countries inhabited. This is full-time role. Paid annual leave during prescribed school holidays, paid sick and hospitalization leave, other benefits including relocation and housing depending on terms of employment. So all the details are available in the job description form. So make sure before applying, please check your job description and your requirement and skills. Once you are satisfied with all the things, you can apply as per the instruction. So these are the vacancies. So one by one you can check in. So if you are interested this job version, you can send job application form, curriculum vitae to the particular email ID. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.